What's going on, bear fishing? Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're on the creek chasing smallmouth, fall fish, rock bass once again. But today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be using strictly worms. It's the way I learned to wade this creek, the way I learned to fish it when I was 12, 13 years old. So I'm going back to my roots and hopefully we'll catch every fish in this creek. Stay tuned, it's going to be a good one. Alright, so as I was saying, I'm using a simple snap-on weight with a lot of worm on this little hook. Here we go, first cast. Did I just get in your way?
Yeah, big time.
Oh, that's too bad.
Scumbag.
Let's throw into this deeper pocket of water. Caught a nice rainbow here the other day. This hole usually has some pretty decent fish right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh. Just missed one. So there's this nice calm hole of water. The river comes flowing from there. This branch causes the break of the current. And then all back here, there's logs. I think there's an old beaver dam and there's just a bunch of smallies, rock bass, everything in here. There you go, there's first one.
Basically, when
good rock bass.
you're pulling that rock on the mouth,
Oh wow, look at the size of that. Look how big this rock bass is. Oh, the GoPro doesn't do it justice. Ah.
And then now it's, I'm telling you,
There you go, look at the size of that.
God. It's a good rock bass.
Oh. There he goes. So annoying, as soon as I catch it, the smallmouth come out and they're curious.
So now you keep on your side, it's crazy. Every time I do it, the fucking you get in my way. It's hilarious. You get in my way. I do, they're up here. Yeah, it's okay. But yo, you see how it goes all the way down?
Only rock bass.
See how it goes all the way
There you go, little guy. See if I could catch another one on the same worm. Not a perch. Oh, what's that? Oh, creek chub, creek chub. Fish number 3 on the worm. Pretty nice creek chub, yeah. Bye, little guy.
Oh, big boy, big bass.
Yeah, I know. They don't want to eat. It's crazy. Stupid rock bass. Big bass wants it. Big bass wants it. Big bass wants it. Get out of here. Get out of here. Stupid sunfish. Oh, I have a fish on? Oh. There you go. Another one on the worm. Another good rock bass on the worm. Look at that. You're good now, Nick. Launch it. That bass is hungry. No. This I'm not doing. I didn't come here to catch pumpkin seed.
What?
There you go.
There's pumpkin seeds?
Yeah. They swim up from the reservoir.
I know, I've seen one yesterday.
Yeah, for sure. There's a bunch. I don't like catching them. The water's supposed to be cold. Get out of here. Too easy.
Bro, I got stuck in my finger. Oh my god.
Nice rock bass.
Perch. Perch just bit it.
Stupid smallies don't want no smoke, eh? It amazes me how the smallmouth won't bite this right now. Are you too good for worms now? Oh.
Yeah, last time, I'm not catching it anymore. I'm bringing it to the car right after.
This is crazy.
I'm literally...
A lot of parasites in these fish.
You know what I don't
Look at that. Oof. That's terrible.
You see me? You see me? Yeah,
On the big end, on the big end.
Yeah, you hear me? On the big end.
Do you hear me? Oh, just lost the big fish.
Mom. Hello?
Drag's too loose. Drag's too loose. That was a big smallie.
Yeah.
You heard the drag, eh? Too loose. Man. That was the cast. Missed a huge smallie in this little pool of water. Man.
I knew right away.
Bittersweet. Yeah. Whatever, keep moving. Just casted the worm right into this pool of water. Oh. Had a little rock bass there or something. The heck, I got bit right here. Yep, there's one. There's something. Oh boys, stunning rainbow. Stunning rainbow, get the net. Get the net. Get the net. Stunning rainbow trout, and we're fishing late. I didn't think there'd be some rainbow trout here. Oh, wow. Look at that fish. Sadly, this little rainbow didn't make it because he bit the hook too deep. So we'll be eating him for supper. Oh yeah. Little rock bass. There you go. Another fish. Go little guy. Oh, there's big uns right here. There's Nick with another jumbo rock bass. Look at that. Right out of this deep hole. Oh yeah, perfect. Look at the stomach on that thing. So fat. All they're doing is eating minnows and craws here. Just getting fed all day long. Just caught this nice creek chub. Obviously GoPro I had just shut. Yeah, there's some nice fish in this hole. Oh, rock bass right under the rock. Rock bass. By the way, boys, the three's under this log again.
I know, bro. They're all here.
Nick. Big smallie. On your left, look, it's moving down. Look on your left. Moving all the way down. Bro, look in the shallow water there. Oh yeah. Creek chub. There you go. Nice creek chub. Wow, very nice chub. Huge creek chub. Look how big that is. What a chub, look at that. Wow. Oh, there's one. What a rock bass. There you go. Oh, that's actually a nice rock bass. Look at the size of these chunks. Chunks. Come on, give me my worm. There you go. Piss off, rock bass. I don't want a rock bass. Ugh. I think I caught like 10 today already. They all look small and then you catch them and you're like, whoa, this is a huge bass. Yeah, buddy. No way. I need to catch one on a worm. I didn't catch a smallie today yet. All right. Gotta be something other than rock bass back there. We're about to find out, eh? Bro just hooked this nice river smallie on the TRD craw, green pumpkin.
Very strong.
Yeah, awesome fish.
Release.
There he goes. Real nice smallmouth on the TRD craw. Number 2. Oh, look at the size of that fish.
Back-to-back casts.
Oh, man. Show that one to the camera.
This guy is huge.
I'm literally gonna go in to get these fish. They fight so hard. Oh, there's one right under there. Okay. Right in his face. You really need to get it on top of their faces or else they won't bite. Oh, I need to get one, man. I need to get one. Look at them just all stuck together. Oh yeah, here we go. Don't start moving. Don't move away. Oh, I'm catching one right now. Oh, got turned off by it. There's like, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. I think there's 11 suckers. Come on, new species. Oh, there you go. Sucker on, sucker on. Oh, yeah. There you go. First of the trip. This is a nice one. This is a real good sucker fish. Oh, yeah, baby. And these things put up a fight as well. Oh, hard work paid off. Where's my net? Oh, no, my net's back there. All right, we're walking down. Oh, I just got it right under the slog. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, this might be my biggest of the trip.
Yeah, I caught them. Fucking monster.
Yeah, you caught the biggest. Look at that fish. Wow. Beauty. Right under this little broken down tree. Structure holds fish. It's proven. There's like 1,000 fish right here. Another chub. Not what I'm after. Not what I'm after. Oh, no way. Here you go, first smallie of the day.
Where'd you get them?
There's like 100 fish under this log, to be honest with you. Don't do this, please. Right through the nose, but he'll survive. There you go, he's good to go. Little smallie, first of the day. Okay. Gonna flow right into him. Stupid rock bass. I don't want you, rock bass. Thanks for messing it all up for me. This rock bass need to stop. Stop it. Just go hide under your log. Go. Ripping lips. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. There's just a bunch of fish right under this broken tree. There you go. Little rock bass. Yep, there you go. Just missed a creek chub. No way your boot's untied.
Yep.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, rainbow. Fucking.
No way, another rainbow. No way, man. 2 rainbow trout, same day. Oh my gosh.
Well, that's a nice one.
Guess we're eating trout for supper, boys. We're catching rainbow trout, smallmouth, rock bass, creek chub, all in the same outing. Perfect cast. Right in the hole. Right in the hole. There you go. There's a nice river smallmouth. Oh, these things are so strong. They don't bite it like trout though. Easy to come off. Wow, look at that. Beauty river smallmouth. Every time. Nice little creek chub. Changed to this gold trout magnet because I'm out of worms and my GoPro's off when I caught my first and only brown trout of the trip. We got a good release on her, so I'm happy about that. So now I'll just be fishing for the rest of the video with this trout magnet. Look at that. Little gold trout magnet. It seems to be doing the trick already. Oh guys, we should go back to the first hole. Before thunderstorms like that, the fish feed. That's a fact. Oh yeah. What's this? Another good creek chub. There you go. They love it. They love the trout magnet. Okay, calm down. Look at that creek chub. Oh yeah. Creek chub number 3 on the trout magnet. Ultralight gear. No, I have my own trout magnets. I got a kit. Whoa.
You're catching a bunch of creek chub. I can't even catch them with this.
Oh, I know.
I'm on. Oh yeah.
There you go. You can catch big ones though.
Oh, look at this rock bass.
Oh man.
That's wet. That's a fucking big boy rock bass.
That is a big one. Show him to the cam. Oh yeah. Beauty rock bass. Look at the stomach on that. Show the stomach. Killer rock bass here. Right, well, it was blue skies that turned gray in like 10 minutes. The weather changes so quickly here in the mountains. So we're gonna have to head back upstream. The same hole that'll hold smallmouth holds brown trout, rainbow trout. It's awesome. Rock bass, fall fish. Oh my gosh, I just hooked into a smallie on the trout magnet. And it's a good one. Wow, awesome.
It's gonna rain for sure.
Yeah, the bite's picking up. That's how you know the clouds moved in.
Oh, so this walk back might be a nice one.
This walk back? Oh, there you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, Nick just had one as well. All right, so there you have it. We had another great day on the river. I caught 2 rainbow trout, 1 brown trout, suckerfish, chub, smallmouth, everything on the worm. And then even when I switched over to the trout magnet, I was able to catch some decent smallies. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Bear Fishing.